Okay, so we're trying to fix a problem, and maybe one quick way to do this is to make a private variable in Pente score called first game, and we'll set that equal to true. Okay, and this is going to solve the problem of the flashing thing, because it didn't do that before we added the the paint immediately thing. Okay, so oh, I gotta say private boolean. Okay, so we got a private boolean working here for us. Okay, and then down here where you update the score, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna say if first game, if that equals true, then we're just gonna whose field refresh. We're gonna go like this. Whose field dot repaint. Okay, and then otherwise we're gonna do this thing here, and maybe this will take care of this. And I guess I'm interested to see if you guys have any trouble with this either. But that seems like that. And then the only thing we have to do is as soon as you hit the action performed, like see this, you just set first game to be false. There, like that. And we'll have to just sort of see if this works. So let's run it and see what happens here. Okay, so computer versus computer. Whoa. Alright, wow, let's hope that was aberrational. Let's try that again. I haven't had any troubles like this at all. That seems fine. So, computer, there. Okay, it seems alright. And it doesn't do any of this stuff through here because we've sort of fixed that problem. Okay, and it's found the winner, and that's good. And then it does this, and it does a new game. And it seems to be working okay, so I'm going to let it go at that. I feel like we want to move on. And, in version 2 we can add threads and things like this, but I think this is okay for what our purposes are. And it's it's doing its thing, and it runs, and it picks up captures and things like that, and so I think it's okay. See, like there, that got captured. That's good. That's good. And there you go. And I think it's okay.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Good.
Nice. That looks really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so with that, I will leave you, and let's hope that we can all get this done. I might add the one thing where I'll show you how to make the highlights. Yeah, like I say, I'll show you in another video like the highlight stuff, so we can do it. But it seems like it's okay, so we'll take it from there, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye for now.